Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Groveland Long-Distance Movers Near Me. The thrill of local moves in the heart of Groveland, MA. We masterfully navigate the city's charming streets at 3 Movers like seasoned cartographers. Our process begins with meticulous planning and scheduling tailored to your unique needs. On the big day, our efficient Groveland local TM movers will arrive armed with the strength of 1,000 oxen and the precision of skilled artisans. We carefully pack your belongings, ensuring each precious item is protected for the voyage. During long-distance moves, our planning and logistics prowess reach new heights. We carefully map out the entire route, anticipating any challenges that may come our way. Our seasoned Groveland Long-Distance 3 Movers are well-versed in long-haul moves, adeptly handling every step of the process, from packing to loading and unloading. As always, your items are our treasure, and we handle them with the utmost care. Our sturdy packing materials and expert techniques shield them from the turbulence of the road or skies, and fret not, for we take pride in providing the best pricing that suits your budget, making your long-distance adventure an affordable and enjoyable one. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Groveland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.